Trembling within the breeze, I can feel my soul is shaking. Even with a single blow, everything that is comes undone. Using every ounce of strength just to keep myself from breaking. I can only watch you walk by. Holding on to everything, even when my body shatters. I will never let you pass, even when my tears run dry. Everyone I know is praying I will strike you down to war.